Hello students, in the previous two grammar lessons we had learnt about letters and words and naming words. Today we are going to learn a new concept of one and many. When I say one means something that is single, and anything that is more than one, that is considered to be many. The other words that we use for them is singular and plural. One means singular and many means plural. Look at the pictures that are given over here. There is a cat that is sleeping, but that is just one single cat. So one cat. But in the picture that is next to it, we can see three of them. So they are three cats. C-A-T-S, cats. One rat and two rats. So if you look at these pictures, single is written the word as it is we write the word. But when we are talking about more than one, we have to add a word in the end, that is S. So over here we are adding S to cats and to rats. Let us look at some more examples. A crayon, many crayons. C-R-A-Y-O-N-S, crayons. An orange, many oranges. So we have to add S in the end to make a word plural. Let us see these exercises so you'll understand some more words, how we make them plural. I took one rose. Shilpa took 3 roses. R-O-S-E-S. This shirt is red. Those shirts are blue. S-H-I-R-T-S. Ravi has 5 pencils. 5 stands for more, many. 5 pencils. My brother has 1 pencil. There is 1 tree in front of my house. One, only single they are talking about. There are 7 trees in the park. T-R-E-E-S. He offered me many, more than one, many chocolates. I only took only one chocolate. Now change the given naming words from one to many. One doll, many dolls. D-O-L-L-S. A banana, single banana. Many bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. An egg, that is one single egg. Many eggs. E-G-G-S. A flower, single flower. Many flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Now look at the picture, then fill in the blanks with the correct naming word. There are 2 dogs. One dog is sleeping. Joy has 1 orange. Rahul has 5 oranges. O-R-A-N-G-E-S. There are 2 baby birds in the nest. There is 1 bird on the branch. Swati carries 1 book. Sonali carries many books. Circle the naming words that name one. Underline the naming words that name many. Then put them in the correct boxes. So now they have given you 2 boxes over here. One you have to add over here in the blue box, and one that is colored green. It's for plural, many. Flowers, that is plural because S is there. We are talking about more than one. So the flowers will come in the green box. Boy is single. You have to circle the singular words, that is single, one. Boy is single, it will come in the blue box. Rings, R-I-N-G-S. What is it? Yes, it's plural. So it will fall in the green box. Kittens, again that is plural. It will fall in the green box and you have to underline it. K-I-T-T-E-N-S. S is added over there in the end. So it is more than one. Net, N-E-T, net is single. It will fall in the blue box and you have to circle it. Ball, B-A-L-L, is single. You have to circle it and put it in the blue box. Umbrellas, Plural again, it has a S in the end. We are talking about more than one. It will fall in the green box and you have to underline it. Carpet is singular. You have to circle it and put it in the blue box. Letters, it ends with an S, so we are talking about more than one. You have to underline it and put it in the green box. Pencil is single. Boat is single. So both of them have to be circled and have to be put in the blue box. Shops. Shops ends with an S, so it will be plural and will fall in the green box. Chair, single chair. So we will circle it and will put it in the blue box. And grapes will come in the green box because we are talking about more than one grape. Now there are other ways to make a singular word plural, a single word plural. We have already learned that you have to change the word. In the end you have to add S. Now there are some words you have to end with a ES. You have to add ES in the end to make it into many. Like fox, F-O-X will become F-O-X-E-S, foxes. Church will become churches. Dish will become dishes. Same way, you have to change this from one to many with adding ES in the end. Peach, P-E-A-C-H-E-S, peaches. Dress, D-R-E-S-S-E-S, dresses. Box, B-O-X-E-S, boxes. Match, M-A-T-C-H-E-S, matches. Class, C-L-A-S-S-E-S, classes. Watches, W-A-T-C-H-E-S, beaches, B-E-A-C-H-E-S, beaches. Glasses, G-L-A-S-S-E-S, glasses. Now fill in the blanks with the words that you have written. Maya ate 3 peaches and a banana. I put all my toys into 2 small boxes. John went to all the classes to give sweets on his birthday. Shasha gave both her watches to her sister. Ronit helped his parents to keep all the dresses neatly in the cupboard. And the last one is, our team won 3 matches out of 5. Now you have to circle the naming words in the given poem. Identify the words which have naming one and those which name many, and then write them in the correct row. 6 little monkeys. Monkeys are over here plural. And it is a naming word. Jumping on a tree. Tree is singular. There comes a peddler. Peddler is again singular. Peddler is a person who comes to sell things, Whom the monkeys see. Monkeys again is plural over here. One naughty monkey, single monkey, snatches his cap. Cap is a naming word with small bows. Bows are plural and because it ends in a S. And a very long strap. Strap again is singular. Says the peddler, give me the cap. The monkey winks at him and tightens the strap. So over here, which are the naming words? Monkeys, tree, peddler, monkeys, monkey, single monkey, cap, bows, strap, again peddler, cap, monkey, strap. So what falls in one is peddler, monkey, cap, strap. Those all are one. And what are many? Monkeys are both. At one place there is one single monkey also and monkeys also. We are talking about both in this poetry. But many, what are we actually talking of? Many trees and bows. Read aloud the words that are given below and change them from one to many. Now over here, we have to change from one to many, either ending with S or ES. Doll will become dolls, D-O-L-L-S. Book will become books, B-O-O-K-S. Table will become tables, T-A-B-L-E-S. House will become houses, H-O-U-S-E-S. Fox will become foxes, F-O-X-E-S. Eye will become eyes, E-Y-E-S. Monkey will become monkeys, M-O-N-K-E-Y-S. Tomato will become Tomatoes. Some places they accept as Tomatos also. Cup will become cup, Cops. Crow, Crows, crows. Now circle the words that you have written above in the grid below. So all the words that we have done over here, you will circle them in this crossword that is given over here. Try to take help of your mother and father and circle all the words. See the way you are seeing dolls, tomatoes, books, tables, cups, monkeys, houses, eyes, crows, foxes. If you will go through each and every line, you will find all the words given over there. So, children, have you all understood this concept of one and many? One and many. Anything that is single is one, and anything that is more than one is considered to be many. The other word that we use for that is singular and plural. And the ways to make anything plural is by adding a S or a ES. Thank you very much.